Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and I also wanted to draw attention to those grid lines and leveler. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So now we have to tap on this 4 dots icon and tap on the settings icon on the left. Then scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings and tap on reset. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.